Good morning, sir. My, my name is Kevin. I'm going to report the Forensic 4 Week 11 activity. So, let's start. So, my report is about terminology concerning stroke characteristics. First is arc. So, arc is a covered form inside the top curve of loop as in small letter. That is H, M, N, and P. So, number 2 is arch. Any arcade form in the body of a letter found in small letters which contain arches. So that is arches. So number 3 is ascender. So what is ascender? It is the top portion of a letter or upper loop. So ascender is the in the top portion. So baseline is maybe actually on a ruled paper. It might be imaginary alignment of writing. It is ruled or imaginary line upon which the writing rests. So baseline is imaginary alignment of writing. So number 5 is bedded. So bedded is preliminary embellished initial stroke which usually occur in capital letters. So that is bedded. So number 6 is bird. What is bird? It is the rudimentary initial upstroke of a letter. So that is bird. So number 7 is blunt. So what is blunt? The beginning and ending stroke of a letter without hesitation. Without hesitation is that is blunt. So number 8 is bowl. So what is bowl? A fully rounded oval or circle from on a letter complete into O. So that is bowl. So number 9, buckle or buckle knot. So what is number 9 is a loop made as a flourish which is added to the letters as a small letter, that is K and A, or in capital letter A and K and I. Number 10 is cacography. What is cacography? A bad writing. That is cacography. So number 11, calligraphy. Alright, the art of beautiful writing. That is calligraphy. So number 12 is descender. So what is descender? Opposition of ascender. Opposite of ascender. The lower portion of a letter. That is descender. The opposite of ascender. So number 13, diacritic. T crossing and dots of a letter I and J. So dot of letter I and J. The matter of the Indian script are also known as diacritic signs. So number 14, ending or terminate stroke of so. The end of the letter. So the end of every letter that is ending. So number 15, eyelet, eye loop. So what is that? A small loop or curve formed inside the letter. So that is eyelet, and eye loop. So number 16, foot, the lower part which rests on the baseline. So that is loop. I put rather. So number 17 is habits. Any repeated element or details which may serve to individuals writing. So that is habits. Any repeated elements or details. So number 18, hesitation. The irregular technique thickening or ink which is found when writing slows down or stop while the pen takes a stroke off at the portion of the position. So number 19 is hiatus or pen jump, a gap occurring between a continuous stroke without lifting the pen. That is hiatus pen jump, such as currents usually occurs due to the speed or maybe regarded also as a special form of pen lift. So number 20 is hook. What is hook? Hook. It is a minute curve or an angle which often occur at the end of terminal strokes. It is also sometimes occur at the beginning of an initial strokes. So that is